What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, owner of Modern Pro Polish here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. One of the main questions that I'm asked is, how should I price my work? Should I charge by the project? Should I charge by the hour? Should I charge by the foot? And it's really a particular structure of getting to a desired pricing strategy. So we charge by the hour for what we do, but realistically you can't charge by the hour if you don't know how long it's going to take you to do something. So if you're just getting started, it's not wise to charge by the hour because it might take you an extra 10-15 hours and your work is not justifiable anyway because you've just been doing trial and error. So it's best to charge by the project in the beginning. Have set packages. Know that you're probably going to lose a few dollars in the beginning, but this is your learning stage, your practice stage. Then when you figure out how long it takes you to efficiently do the work and do quality work, you can start charging by the hour. But if you're working on giant projects, maybe you need to charge by the foot, like for a boat or an RV. But some people still charge by the hour for RVs and boats in some areas. So start off with package pricing in the beginning and then work your way up to charging by the hour. You don't want to stay at the package price because when you're better than you used to be, you're going to start really losing money because it's time to bump up your fee to balance out with the quality of work that you produce. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Get your pricing the right way and don't overcharge in the beginning and then don't undercharge when you get really good. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. Hey, if you enjoyed that content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button for all the Pro Polisher Academy videos when they pop up. And we've created a merch line for you guys, the Modern Pro & Co lineup, and today I'm wearing the Breeders of Ingenuity shirt. And necessity breeds ingenuity. And in this industry, I've had to come up with a lot of my own inventions just to get to where I'm at today. So we also spell ingenuity with an E as opposed to an I, just as an ode to the automotive industry and the love of motors, engines, etc. So go check out the merch line, links in the description. We'll see you guys later. Peace.